things, nice things, nice things. One good girl, yeah, do the right thing. One with yourself and like your style win. Nice things, nice things, nice things.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of the video, and as you can tell from these ingredients right here, I'm gonna be making some Guinness Punch, aka Strongback. If you know, you know. If you're Jamaican, comment down below and let me know what your idea of Strongback is and what it means to you. These are all the ingredients that we're gonna use today. As always, I'm gonna go through them really quickly. If you want to see how I make my Guinness Punch, then keep on watching. Guinness, Oscar oats, Supligen, vanilla here, sweetened condensed milk, fresh Brazil nuts, 1 nutmeg, some ice cubes here. This is completely optional. And then of course you need a handy dandy blender. So here I have 1 cup of Guinness. That bottle yields 1 cup of Guinness. So this is what you need first and foremost. I just poured it in my blender. Then I'm gonna follow up with my Supligen. That can of Supligen is basically 1 cup. So I just added it in. Here I have my nuts, 1 cup. So I just added in 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla. Here I have 1 cup of oats. Pour in my oats. Here I have my sweetened condensed milk. This is about 1/2 cup. Pour that in. Here I have my nutmeg. I grated down 1/2 of it and I'm using 1 teaspoon. And then last but not least, I'm adding in my ice cubes. Now it's time to blend everything together. So I basically just blend everything together for about 30 to 45 seconds and voila. So there you have it guys, the finished Guinness Punch. I just added some whipped cream on top with a little bit of nutmeg just for garnish, and I'm ready to drink some. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Let me know in the comments down below how you make your Guinness Punch, and also just let me know if you try it, how you like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, thank you so much for your support.